Hi everyone. So today I wanted to talk to you about VoiceThread, and I really enjoyed working with VoiceThread. So I'm going to show you how to create one. So you're going to click create and we're going to go ahead and add some media. I'm just going to add some pictures from my computer. So I have 3 pictures here of my dog. We're going to go ahead and add them. His name is Apollo. Now, what you can do is you can keep adding more media to it. Besides pictures, you can upload other items. I uploaded a Google slide on one of them that I made. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the comment part. And what this allows you to do is you can click here and you can add 5 different types of comments. So the first type you can do is a text comment, and it'll pull up a text box once you add it. So I'm going to just say, hi, I am Apollo, save, and then it builds right here and you can see the text comment. The other kind is a phone comment. Haven't tried this one, so that's something you can explore. You can add an audio comment, you can add a video comment, or you can upload a comment. All right, so I'm going to show you one of my voice threads that I have made. And once you make a voice thread, you can share it with anyone. You can change the access. You can also embed it into a website, or you can post it to your Facebook or Twitter. So we're just going to copy the link and open in a new tab. And so here with my voice thread, I'm going to go start on slide 1. Sorry about that. All right. So on this first one, I have a voice.
Hi everyone, here's a quick slideshow over the 2022 Winter Olympics that just finished on February 20th.
All right, so that was an example of the voice comment. Here's one of the text comment. Fun facts about the Olympics. If it's in the way of your slide, you can exit out of it. It doesn't delete the comment, it just moves it off the screen. Here's one with the embedded video.
Hi guys, your assignment is going to be to pick one of these winter events. You're going to need to do some research because you need to turn in a 3 to 5 slide Google slide presentation with a brief history. You need to tell me how to play the sport. And last, I would like the last 5 Olympic gold medal winners in your sport. Like I said, you will turn this into Google Classroom.
All right, so that was just an example of a video. And now this is another voice comment, but what I did like about this one is that you can have a pin feature that will let you write.
In these dates, there's a huge gap from 1936 here to 1948. If you remember on one of the previous...
So right here, I used the pin app to draw on it so that the students could see what I was talking about. And then when I did upload a picture, it allowed me to put a link to the picture. So if I click here, it'll take me to the website to where I got it from. I did get this from the Creative Commons, so I made sure to credit the picture taker, John Wick. Now, what I like about VoiceThreads, not only can you create your own, but you can browse and find other ones, watch them. And here's the best part for the educator is that if your students have an account, they can comment on it.
Hi, Justine. My name is Pam.
They can do any of the 5 types of comments on the voice thread. So some ways that you can use this is that students could create their own story. They could edit their story, illustrate it, and then read the story out. Other students could comment on it. Another thing, students can make a presentation, a research presentation, and students could ask questions on it. Their comments could be questions. And lastly, you do need a membership. I did the free membership. All I needed was an email address to sign up. You do need the free membership, to at least comment. There is single educator licenses in school and district licenses as well that you could look into. But I really enjoyed using VoiceThread, and I hope you do too. Thank you.